the Sunoco and they're ignoring my commands to stop. Come here, please.
No.
What do you mean, no?
No.
Officers respond to reports of threats and disorder inside a busy shopping mall. But when suspects refuse to stop, the situation quickly escalates.
Please do not talk to them right now. I need to deal with them.
Oh, then let's go.
Okay. You're not leaving. I need
You're touching me. You're touching me. That's assault.
It's not assault.
It's assault. It's assault. You're touching me. You put your hands on me.
Whiskey Ford, come over here. They're refusing to stay where I'm at. And
I got to. It's called close property.
No.
Yep. Stupid.
I can follow you all day.
Okay, that's your job.
Yep, it
You get paid
is.
by the hour, right?
It's a waste of
That's
tax
right.
dollars.
You want to take you on a long ass walk?
Are we?
Yep.
Y'all threatened to shoot the...
No, it's y'all. We didn't do anything. We didn't do
Oh, I'm not talking to them at all. You want to know information? Go
Ask
talk to
them.
them.
I'm gonna.
So, you need to do your job better.
Next time, I got a lawsuit against y'all. You want to add to the lawsuit?
You what?
I got a lawsuit against y'all. Keep adding to it.
Oh, do you? Cool. Not against me, you don't.
Against the police department, though.
Hey, don't call me. We don't talk.
Somebody to verify a crime as well.
You need a verification?
They're running westbound towards the interstate. I appreciate you. I ain't verified a crime yet, so there's my problem.
I'm the director at the mall. I'm the director at the mall. And
You are. Come with me then. Hey.
there is assault. He said that he was going to security officer and the housekeeper, and there was no apparent reason why. He said he was
Watching or done? Come on, man. Take it on. Right here. You'll be all right. Here. Come in. Get the left one, man. I'll take too long. Here. Come on, here. Here. Where my fucking hand come from?
Just stop resisting.
I'm not resisting. I'm helping your stupid ass out. You want to
Roll onto your stomach.
All right. Say please.
Roll on your stomach.
If you move, I want to hit you in the neck, dog.
Roll onto your stomach.
You're going to be dog bit. You understand me? Hey, if I call 911, you're going to pop up, right?
Roll onto your stomach.
I see your face.
Okay, I see your face. Roll onto your stomach.
It don't matter. I can pop up anytime. You got to roll. How about roll? Stop trying to force me up. I roll.
Roll onto your stomach.
I am. If you get down, start trying to break my arm, I ain't going to do shit.
If you stop
Y'all
resisting.
whether y'all break my shit and motherfuckers.
Why are you on your back?
Because y'all ain't being nice. Hey, get the fuck off me. No such shit. All right, here. Hey, bro, don't grab my dick. I am. I'm the.
All right.
So what's the
roll
problem?
onto your stomach.
What's the problem? What I've been detained for? What I've been arrested for?
You are being detained for an investigation.
What investigation?
Something that happened in the mall. I don't have to
Ain't
explain
nothing
myself
happened
further.
tomorrow. Where I'm at? I'm at the mall?
Nope.
So this is public property, right?
I'm not going to explain further.
Where your body cam at?
I'm not going to explain
Where your
any
body
further.
cam? Oh, that's it right there.
dude, turn the fuck over. You're just getting handcuffed.
Roll on your
Telling me to
stomach.
tell the fuck. Look, I'd rather listen to you than these motherfuckers. You keep trying to
Roll
make my
onto
arm.
your stomach.
I am. For you? You want me to roll over? You don't want me to be nice? Why tell
I
me that?
asked you
Hell no.
several times. Roll onto your stomach.
You asked me. Okay, here you go.
You roll
asked.
onto
You
your
said you
stomach.
asked, so I am. Tell him let go of my arm. I can't go.
Roll onto your right onto your stomach.
Hey, my hand. I'm trying to break my shit. Go the head. Here, get off for a second. Go to the side. Go to the other side. Here you go. Here you go. Oh, you is not going to get one.
Shot 4 Alpha 4 1014.
Thank you. 911, I will be calling. Y'all will pop up. What you doing? I'm swearing to you. Y'all gotta pop up.
No, stay seated.
Why? Can I get on the ground? I mean, off the ground? Maybe I know it now. I'm good. Leave me alone. Go back to business. Go back to business. You jackass. You too.
Do you have a free seat?
So, I do, but my fucking car.
That motherfucker there. That motherfucker there. You. Start with you. We gonna have a conversation.
We'll talk about it in a minute.
Hey, you're a civilian?
I'm going to tell you one time, do not stand up.
Hey, is he a civilian?
Do not stand up.
Is he a civilian?
I don't know who you're talking about.
The white shirt.
I have no idea who he is.
You got him. I'm gonna let him. You good. I ain't about to do shit.
Yeah.
Why?
Well, you resisted for about 5 minutes,
I didn't
so...
resist it. Y'all had me pinned. I told I would help you.
No.
Yes, I
That's
did.
not how this works.
Yes, I did. Y'all ain't telling me shit. Y'all
Yes, I said you're detained. You pulled away.
I pulled away. I looked in your face.
You pulled away.
I had them in Sunoco,
No.
and I was telling them to stop, and they
Public
shoved
place.
the door
I
open.
said,
with
please
my
stop.
arm.
You said, no.
Yeah, because y'all got no reason to touch me. So the fact that you touched me,
cannot determine
put me on
that.
handcuff. Yes, I can.
No.
I'm a citizen.
Nope.
That's my First Amendment.
That is
So you
incorrect.
violated my First Amendment, my Fifth Amendment.
It's so funny
Nope.
how people think things are.
I do.
Shut up. You're
I
just
do.
making
Look
a
at my
fool
record,
of
fool.
yourself.
Look at my record, fool.
Why? You been arrested?
Yeah.
Then you should know
So guess
better.
what? I know a lawyer. Real good. Fool. Yeah, it's how pride hurts.
Despite repeated commands, tensions rise and officers move in to detain both individuals. Bodycam shows how quickly a simple call can turn into a physical arrest.
That was in the family restroom come out and basically told me, okay, so, you know, I'm like, no, this is my business, I work here, I'm security. Yeah. But after I got her to do the tag for the restroom, for the lady, he comes out of the, or both of them came out of the girl and the guy? Okay. Yeah, he comes out of the family restroom, she came out of the nursery. And that's when he said to her and to me that both of us would get popped.
Get popped? Did he make any gestures like toward his...
No, he didn't.
He was pointing his finger?
Yeah.
Okay. Because Officer Holcomb was telling me sometimes he was reaching toward his pants or reaching toward his bag.
Right.
Okay.
He, at that time, he was not.
Yeah, this was after he went in the common area outside of the restrooms. He made motions to go towards his bag or his waistline. He did it all around South Penny's as they walked off site.
Okay.
They were on the golf cart and he kept making like a motion.
Further movement. Okay. And she was saying, Officer Holcomb was saying they've been here and done this before?
So I was here one day, Carlisle came out, they came to our security door because a scooter they apparently rode got an overnight parking citation on it and they were going to come here and us up. They came banging on the door, we followed them through the mall, they went out the east side of UF and Carlisle got them out there on 62nd. Carlisle comes to me and says,
is that by the bus stop?
I'm just up from it, south of it.
Yeah.
He said there's nothing I can do, yada yada, and then I said, I mean, they clearly assaulted us.
Yeah.
They did it throughout the whole mall to the point the mall office locked the office down because they went in there being violent.
Okay.
So when the mall manager called me during all this partaking on the radio, I told her I'm aware it is the same too that we had to lock the mall office down and all, and she goes, we 100% need them trespass. They keep coming back.
Have they been
gun
trespassed?
violence. No.
So what's your guys' rules? Can we trespass them in the entire mall?
5 years.
The whole mall?
Yep.
Okay.
All right, what is your question?
What's going on today?
What?
What's going on today?
So, you can readily understand English. Am I correct in this? You
Yes, sir.
spoke English your whole life, right?
In Spanish, correct? Yes, sir.
Okay.
Both languages.
Do you understand the rights I read to you earlier?
Yes,
Not that you understand the situation, because I haven't
wasn't trying to
explained
be
most of that.
funny because I didn't do anything. I'm really confused.
Right.
I work
But-
at the mall. I
So,
work at. Go ahead. I'm sorry.
Let me explain it to you, but I need that clear to you before I explain it to you, because you're going to ask questions, and I'm going to ask questions, and we're going to go back and
That's fine.
forth, and
Yes, sir.
I need everything to be clear. So, a situation happened at the mall. Pretty much as part of our investigation, we have the right to detain people who are part of that. So, when the officer comes up to you and says, stop, and you walk away, you walk on the Sunoco, you walk out of the Sunoco, you keep walking down the street, that gives us probable cause to arrest you for resisting without violence. When you're given a lawful order to stop, you have to stop. What?
No, I said I didn't know that, but I don't know.
Okay, you don't. No one's ever told you if a police officer tells you to stop, you have to stop.
If you're not guilty, though.
So you just get to determine that you didn't commit a crime.
No, sir.
So how do you explain this to me? How do we investigate a crime if anybody can just walk away at any particular point? Exactly. So we have to be able to detain someone to do that, right?
Yes, sir.
So we have to be able to physically force them to stop. Now, as I read your rights to you, you don't have to talk to us, but we have to be able to identify you, have witnesses identify you, and conduct an investigation in relative calm, which doesn't really work if you're walking away and not following commands to do so. Okay, so you understand all of it. Okay. So, basically, at any point, did anyone say anything about a gun inside the mall?
Neither one of us. No.
So someone else said something about a gun.
Yeah, but that's what I was like. He literally like this. Okay, I'm not laughing at you. This is like really pathetic. I work in the mall, so this is the second time that dude, the tall dude, the owner. So he had an issue with, like, they don't even know who we are. That's why I was like, that's kind of stupid. So my parents are
Why would he have an issue with you?
Because of him. I didn't do anything.
So you're just sitting there and he just comes up
like,
to
if you
you
look
and...
at the video, I promise you, I'm sitting in the nursing room. I'm waiting on my best friend. I have to go to work. I'm not. So he's like pulling on the door. So I text him like, "Yo, I'm changing. You see all these clothes? I'm changing my clothes so I can go to work. I have to ride a bike to go to Hotel Indigo. I work at Hotel Indigo. As matter of fact, you can see my badge. The badge is in there. So I'm like, I'm walking out. They're like, so we left like they instructed. So he likes to play games or whatever. But when they said leave, we left. That's why you see us crossing the street. We go there every day. Like, we don't bother anyone.
Were you guys wearing masks when you were wandering around in the mall?
We wear a mask every day. But not in the mall, no.
Okay, so...
I wear one when I came outside. She seen me pull it up.
Alright, so... No one... You two didn't mention a gun, but someone else did.
Yeah, the dude that works there...
When did he say that?
He said that in the mall. When we were in the mall. So when he was following us, he was like, "Oh, if you don't leave, we'll call the police or I'll shoot you." What? Why would you shoot us if we're walking away? That's why they did all that scene. This is the second time this happened.
But that doesn't make any sense. Like, why would they do that to you?
Because
for no reason.
He wants to play it. Like, he doesn't know who I am. He's sort of like, I don't know who that. You know exactly who we are.
Okay, but why you? Like, because does he not like you?
He doesn't.
Like, why would he just single you two out of nothing?
He's not going to tell you this. So, when I was with my homegirl, which is one of his people's daughter, he was trying to talk to me. So, you felt some type of way because he said something to you about trying to holler at his wife, his fiance. So, you're mad because I don't want to talk to you. That's not a place. This is a place of business. I work there. That was like, I help my friend at the kiosk. One, she sews hats. We sit there. He sees me all the time. So, I was like, the fact that you blew this out. I left just when you said leave, we left. So,
alright.
Didn't do anything. She told me that when she was right there, put your hands behind your back. Yes, ma'am. Put my hands. Stop moving.
You were fine.
That's all I didn't do anything.
You got a bunch of problems from that one. Alright. So, how old are you?
I'm 26.
26. Alright.
Thanks for watching this real Bodycam police encounter. Situations like this highlight the importance of staying calm and following lawful orders. Our videos are shared for education, awareness, and transparency. Stay safe, and we'll see you in the next one.